Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Thursday. It's January 26, 2012, and we're going to be looking at your mama. No, we're going to be looking at the VIX. That's what we'll look at today. This runs the inverse of the S&P 500, basically. When it's bullish, then the overall market, the S&P 500, will be bearish, and vice versa. This is obviously in a downtrend, and I'm going to show you a little trick that you can do here. One of the things that you'll find at our free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's right there, 100% free. All we ask in return, refer a friend, etc., etc. One of the things you'll find there are different trading strategies that we have on video there to teach you how to trade different things. And I'm going to show you today one of those different methods you can use. You'll notice over here you have a hammer formation. And what you can do is find the high of that candlestick and draw yourself a little line from there. Anytime the next couple of days that you are trading within that range between the high of this candlestick and the low of this candlestick, you could buy with a stop right off the low here and expect to move to the upside and make a little bit of a profit there, advancing your stop very close as she moves higher, especially in a downtrend like this. We'll get into that in a minute. But basically, that's just a trading method you can use. It works quite effectively. It doesn't always work here. You've got one right there. You could use the high here, a low here. You'll notice that you got a little bit of a move here. Intraday, you could have made some money, but the next couple of days, if you had been a buyer, you got stopped out. Other times that it's worked here, you could have done it for about a day before she advanced again. You could advance your stop and take a little bit of profit there. And here you've got another hammer candlestick formation right there. So that's the trade that I have for you today, and this is the only chart I'm going to be looking at today for a market analysis. So this is a twofer. Basically, you get the stock pick and the market analysis together. So what you could do here is look at the high of this candlestick and set yourself a little horizontal line there. And if you get any trading activity below that line tomorrow, with a stop down here, you could be a buyer there expecting an attempted reversal to the upside. Another reason why I believe that this one's more likely to be effective would be this move that you have right here. You'll notice on the Ultimate Oscillator you've made a move higher than you did back here and here. So that to me tells me that momentum to the upside is increasing there, and it's not happened here on the price activity, but to be a buyer and trade that right there would make sense. Now again, this is a counter trend move. What that means is that the overall trend is down and you're going long in that scenario. So you're fighting the trend. It's not going to be as profitable or as successful. The odds of success are decreased in this scenario. So you prefer to find a scenario where you had an uptrend and then a hammer formation and a pullback. It'd be much more effective in those cases. But this is just something for you to consider for tomorrow, okay, on Friday. It's a short-term trade opportunity that you just happen to see on this chart. It looks like something that you may be interested in, okay? So now you know. If you've not been to our free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, well, then you're a loser. It's 100% free, and all we ask in return, refer a friend. God bless, take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.